Hello children, welcome to Math Park. Our today's topic is banking. It is chapter 2 of class 10 ICSE, the book Concise Selena. In this topic, we are going to deal with recurring deposit. So let us understand what are we going to do in this topic. And children, we are going to solve this exercise in two parts. So if you like it, please share with your friends. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. So what is a bank? So bank is an institution which takes care of taking money, keeping it safe and giving interest on that. So it deals with various things. A bank, it is a financial institution that is licensed to accept checking and savings deposits and make loans. Bank also provide related services such as individual retirement accounts, certificates of deposit, currency exchange and safe deposit boxes, etc. So there are different types of account in India, various. I have just mentioned a few. Current account, it is the account which is owned by the different business owners, entrepreneurs who need to make and receive the payments more often than others. So these accounts hold more liquid deposits with no limit on the number of transactions per day. Savings account is the regular deposit account which each of us hold it. Without account in a bank, we can't imagine day to day. So when you earn a minimum rate of interest here. So there are regular savings account for children, senior citizens or women or institution saving accounts, family savings accounts and so many more. We can have joint accounts and many things over there. Then fixed deposit accounts. So to park your funds and earn a decent rate of interest, which is more than the savings account on it, there are different types of accounts like fixed deposits and recurring deposits. So in this chapter, we are going to deal mostly with the recurring deposit account. So recurring deposit, that is RD, has a fixed tenure. So you need to invest a fixed sum of money in it regularly every month or say once a quarter to earn an interest. So we start solving the problems. We'll be solving first 5 problems of this exercise. Manish opens a deposit account, recurring deposit account with the Bank of Rajasthan and deposits rupees 600 per month. He deposits rupees 600 per month for 20 months. Calculate the maturity value of this account if the bank pays interest at the rate of 10% per annum. So first we note down what all things are given. Installment per month, which we are going to denote here as P, which is rupees 600. Then number of months is going to be 20, which is given you here directly. If it is given in years, we convert in months. The rate of interest is 10% per annum. Maturity value is N times P. Okay, number of installments multiplied by the per month, what is installment plus an interest. So here we will be first calculating interest. So interest is P into N in bracket N plus 1 upon 2 times 12 multiplied by R by 100. So where P is 600 into N is 20 and N plus 1 is 21 upon 2 times 12 into R, which is 10 upon 100. Simplify this. Simplifying this to 10s are, you have 6 1s are and 6 2s are, 2 1s are and 2 5s are. So 21 times 5 is 105 and 105 times 10 is 1050. So this is 1050 is your interest. Now the maturity value is P into N plus I. So P into N, P is 600 per month multiplied by number of months, which is 20, and interest, which we calculated 1050. So 600 times 20, it is 1200 plus 1050, which is 13,050 rupees is the maturity amount which Manish will get. Got it? After 20 months. So what is important here? Understanding that, noting down the things which are given. For I, what is the formula? Calculate and then find the maturity value. Second question, Mathew opened. Mrs. Mathew opened a recurring deposit account in a certain bank and deposited rupees 640 per month. So 640 per month. So your P is installment per month is 640. Then for per month for 4.5 years. So 4.5 years, 4 years, 12 fours are 48. 12 times 4 is 48. And 48 plus 6 months. So plus 6, 48 plus 6. This is how you get this as 54 months. So number of months is 54. and then rate of interest is 12% per annum. You are asked to find the maturity value. So first we find the interest. So interest is P into n in bracket n plus 1 upon 2 times 12. So put the value. So you have P is 640 into n is 54 multiplied by 54 plus 1 which is 53 upon 2 times 12 into R which is 12 by 100. Simplify, 12 and 12 got cancelled, 2 ones are 2 27s are. This 1 0 got cancelled, just multiplied 64 into 27 into 53 and then 1 decimal point. So dividing by 10, you get the rate, the interest as, you get the interest as rupees 9,504. So you get the interest as rupees 9,504. This is your interest. And then your maturity value is Pn plus I. So Pn is 640 times 54 plus the interest 9,504. 640 into 54, you get this as 34,560 plus 9,504. Add this together, you get 44,064 rupees is the maturity value that Mrs. Mathew will get. So the amount that Mrs. Mathew will be getting at the time of maturity is rupees 44,064. Got it? Next question, each of A and B both opened recurring deposit account. There are two people, A and B. They opened recurring deposit accounts in a bank. If A deposited rupees 1,200 per month for 3 years and B deposited rupees 1,500 per month for 2.5 years, find on maturity who will get more amount and by how much. The rate of interest paid by the bank is 10% per annum for both. So for A, the installment is rupees 1,200. So it is 3 years. So 12 times 3, it is 36 months, number of months. The rate of interest is 10% per annum. So first we calculate for A. So we need to find the maturity value. For that, we first find the interest. So let's put the values. P is 1200 times N is 36. N plus 1 is 37. Up into R is 10 upon 100. And here it is 2 into 12. So we have 12 and 12 got cancelled. 2 ones are and 2 fives are. So multiply 36 into 37 into 5, which we get it as rupees 6,660 is your interest. Now you got the interest, we find the maturity value. So maturity value is P into N plus interest. So P, which is 1200 into N is 36 plus 6,660. So 1200 into 36, we get 43,200 plus the interest. And the maturity value for A is 49,860. Now let us calculate for B. So for B, the installment per month is rupees 1,500. He is investing little more, but the number of months is here less. It is 30 months. The rate of interest is 10% per annum again. We calculate the interest for this person. So we have P, which is 1,500 into N is 30, N plus 1 is 31 into R is 10 upon 2 times 12 and here upon 100. So let us simplify. 2 15s, we have 3 4s and 3 5s. Then we have 2 2s and 2 5s are 10. So 5 5s are 25 and 25 times 15 and then dividing by 2, you get the interest as rupees 5,812 rupees and 50 paisa. So this is your interest. This is your interest. Now let us calculate the maturity value. So maturity value is P into N plus I. So P is 1,500 into N is 30 plus interest. And let us calculate 1,500 into 30. We got 45,000. 15 threes are 45. Plus 5,812 rupees and 50 paisa, which we get as 50,812 rupees and 50 paisa. So we can see that the maturity amount B has got is more than A. So by how much? So by how much do we find the difference? So B will get more amount than A by subtracting 50,812.50 minus 49,860, which is rupees 952 and 50 paisa is the amount that B has got more. Got that? Question number 4. Ashish deposits a certain sum of money every month in a recurring deposit account for a period of 12 months. If a bank pays interest at a rate of 11% per annum and Ashish gets 12,715 at the maturity value of this account, what sum did he pay every month? So, installment per month, that is what we have to find out. What all things are given? You are given the number of months is 12. That's 1 year. Then the rate of interest is 11% per annum. And we now calculated I. So we have I, let us put the value P, N is 12, N plus 1 is 13, 12 and 12 got cancelled. So we have 2, and this is 6.5. 6.5 into 11 divided by 100, we get 0.715 P. So we got interest in terms of P. Now we have the maturity value is P into N plus I. So P into N, that is N which is 12, plus I, which is 0.715p, is equal to this. So 12 plus 0.715 is 12.715p. So you get p is equal to 12,12715 upon 12.715. So I'll multiply by 1000 so that this gets the whole number. So this is how you get, this becomes a whole number. So you get this cancelled and finally we get P is equal to 1000. So this is how the sum of money paid by Ashish every month is rupees 1000. Got that? So last question of the today's video, a man has a recurring deposit account in a bank for 3.5 years. If the rate of interest is 12% per annum and man gets rupees 10,206 on the maturity, find the value of the monthly. Same as question number 4. So we are given the number of months. It is 3.5 years. So 12, 3s are 36. 36 plus 6, 42. That is how 42 months. The rate of interest is 12% per annum. Maturity value is 10,206. Installment per month is what we need to calculate. Let us put the formula I is equal to P into N in bracket N plus 1 upon 2 times 12 into R by 100. So N is 42 into 43. So 12 and 12 got cancelled. We have 2 21s are. Just multiply 21 into 43 and then dividing by 100. So you get 21 into 43 was 903 and 903 divided by 100 is 9.03p is your interest. Now the maturity value is P into N plus I. So N is 42. So 42p plus 9.03p. 42 plus 9, we get this as 51.03p, 10,206. So you get P is equal to 10,206 divided by 51.03. Multiplying by 100 to both, you get this as 1020600 divided by 5103. So you have 5103 twos. This is how you get 2 times 100. So which is 200 rupees is your P. So this is how the monthly installment is rupees 200. Got that? So children, if you like this video, please share with your friends. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. Coming up with next 5 questions of this exercise soon. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.